To Enrile with a floater, no go. Here's Helterbrand. Helterbrand nakatingin kay Kagiwa. Helterbrand steps on the brakes and goes inside the Mamaril, pero natapik ang bola. Here's Chavez. Chavez looking at Duremdes. Duremdes on the move. Duremdes all the way. And this is the best game of the conference for Kenneth Duremdes. He has 10.
Double figures, ha? Para dito kay Captain Marbel. Tagal na natin sinasabi yun, ha, partner?
Matagal na niyang di nasusot yung kanyang kapa. Here's Helterbrand over to Kagiwa. Kagiwa inside Mamaril. Ay.
Matatawagan ng foul doon si Billy Mamaril. Giving the shoulder. Ito kay Ega Chavez.
Alitan ng tao rito. Tolomia is back on the court.
As well as Marcelan.
Replacing Enrile and Caceres. So si Telan and Tolomia are now part of the ball game.
Still no sign of Alex Cabagnot, Nico. His injured left ankle probably still bothering him.
Alipik. Tapos ng bagya. Here's Chavez. Pick. One more try. Sobra naman.
Grabe ang banggaan. Nakikita natin dito sa ilalim. Alipik. Malaking tao yan. Pero hindi niya maatrasan ang kanyang bantay ron. Billy Mamaril. Mabigat din eh.
Meantime, there's a foul spotted on Chavez. Kanyang unang personal foul. Yan ang first team foul laban sa Coca-Cola. Well, it's perfectly understandable why matinding banggaan sa larong ito dahil gutom na gutom ang dalawang kupunan. These two teams at practically at the bottom of the team standings. Kanya, siyempre, walang gusto magpaiwan dito eh.
Kailangan sa bandang gitna lang at least, to keep in pace with the rest of the team.
Here's Tolomia. Duremdes. And now Peak. Peak against Meg. Peak. Triple team. That shot was partially blocked. He gets his own miss. And he will score. May kasama pang foul.
It's something you see very rarely from Ali Peak using his right hand to finish that play.
Ito, Peak getting his own miss and then muscling his way inside. Plus a foul against Rivas.
Ali Peak missing his earlier two free throws. Make it 3.
Taplasan ang ating laro. Instead, Ginebra is holding on to a 1-point lead, 34-33. As we approach the last 7 minutes of the first half, here's Helterbrand. To Meg. Top of the key. Airball.
Good open look para kay Imek. Kaya lang kapos. And then jump shot. Coca-Cola with a chance to tie or take the lead on this play.
Peak has been the focal point of this Coca-Cola offense all day long. Here's Tolomia. Tolomia pumihit. Kick out Duremdes.
Martelan hindi lumalabas dun sa ilalim. 3 seconds.
So timeout muna tayo dito sa second quarter. Lamang po ang Ginebra but just by 1. 34-33. We'll be right back. Sa kanilang lahat, hindi pong pinapanood ng PBA on ABC. Iko Halili with Joey Santa Maria bringing you all the action sa pagitan ng Ginebra at Coca-Cola. Both teams trying to snap losing skids. Tigers with the basketball. Here's Chavez. Yung kanyang pasa na tapik ni Helterbrand.
You have an interesting statistic dito, Miko, no? Perimeter points. Ginebra with 18. Coca-Cola wala pa. So they're outside shooting. Failing them now, no? But in the game, because of their points in the paint, obviously. At saka yung rebounding, which they're leading, 20-12.
Here's Telan. Gusto iwanan si Rivas. Up shot. Duremdes gets the offensive rebound. He fires and scores. 12 points for Kenneth Duremdes.
Binati lang natin yung perimeter points na 0. Na-shoot tuloy ni Kenneth sa labas.
Yeah, Kenneth also with a very big point to prove today. Here's Helterbrand, no go. Rebound para kay Telan. And out of Doremdes, who's playing his best game of the conference para sa Coca-Cola. And Peak, Peak has been unstoppable inside. Dalawa, tatlo, minsan apat pa yung nakapatong sa kanya, but he's been getting his way in the shaded lane.
At saka Miko, very obvious. Parang change of philosophy ng Coke dito. Talagang pinupush ng gusto yung bola. In past games, pagka-rebound, kita mo na si Coach Bingy, taas yung dalawang kamay. Wanting to slow it down. Pero ngayon, siguro sabi na, we have to try something new. And so far, it's working for them. Yun lang ang hindi. Yung free throw ni Ali Peak. Missing his 4th free throw in a row.
Yan, John Arrigo is not going to play tonight. Hindi nga naka-uniforme. As Peak goes 1 out of 2.
To increase the lead of Coca-Cola to 36 to 34.
Here's Holper. Pasa sana kay Mamaril. Turnover.
Good defense by Ali Peak, denying Billy Mamaril yung inside position.
Seven 20 remaining dito sa second quarter. Here's Telan. Butolomnia against J.R. Aquino.
And like you said, offensive rebounds, Coca-Cola with 12, translating into 8 second chance points. Ginebra, 0 pa sa department na yun.
3 to shoot. Telan. Oh, lucky break. Bak may baong buenas itong Coca-Cola.
Meron at ito si Mark Telan. Alam natin na medyo frustrated one-on-one player. Once in a while gusto niya kumuha ng bola dito sa taas at gumawa ng kanyang mga moves. Working for him.
I like the term. Frustrated one-on-one player.
From outside.
Okay. Nice way of putting it.
More known for his inside excursions and jump shots na pabanda.
Unlike Richard Del Rosario, who's just simply a frustrated player.
All around.
Boy, Doremdes on the move, all the way. Boy, Captain Marbel is all business today.
At eto, nakikita natin, Miko, the new look. Coca-Cola Tigers running at every opportunity. It looks good on them, 40 to 34. Lamang sila.
When was the last time Doremdes had 14 points, make that 16 points in the first half of a ball game?
Medyo matagal na yun, Barter. At ganado, we can see the guys off the bench, nakatayo lahat.
Here's Mamaril. 8-point lead for Coca-Cola. Here's Helterbrand with 7 to shoot. Helterbrand, turn around, no go. Liparo ng mga katawan at nanulak doon si Billy Mamaril.
And kita
wait a minute. Ay, hindi. Mark Isip.
Ay, sayang, no? It was almost a good defensive stop para dito sa Coca-Cola. Aris Dimonaan keeping in pace with JJ Helterbrand. Kaya lang natawagan ng foul for Mark Isis.
So as we enter this 30-second timeout, the absolute story of the first half has been the resurgence of Captain Marbel. Yes, hindi lang to Captain Marbel sighting. This is for real. He has put on his cape and up and away goes the former PBA MVP with 16 first half points.
Pinag-iisipan niya, dumunk yung mga pabuelong pag-grip ng bola. Pero at the last minute, sabi niya, wag na lang.
Averaging just a shade under 3 points. And here in the first half, meron na siyang 16.
And that's the reason they're up by 8 right now.
Here's Makapagal. And out of Holper. Holper, pull up. Sobra. And Doremdes, boy, he has been doing everything here para sa Coca-Cola. Here's Doremdes on the move. Doremdes, pinasa kay Tolomia. Naku, hindi nahawakan ni Tolomia. Agad-agad, nag-sorry si Chester.
Maganda sana yung pasa.
Maganda yung pasa.
And again, early offense yun, pushing the ball itong Coca-Cola. Realizing probably, Miko, that with the new rules, you have to run to score. Ang hirap makascore sa half court like Ginebra right now, struggling.
Here's Holper.
by Holker.